my channel, and this is your girl Janet. And guess what? Today we are going to review a foundation, you guys. I've worn this foundation I think twice already, and you might see this foundation as well on my Instagram if you follow me. So if you haven't followed my Instagram, please do. I'm going to put all my social media accounts in my description box down below. It's been a while since I've done my foundation review, so now I am back. So today we are going to talk about this foundation. This is the new Dior foundation. It's a Forever Undercover 24 full coverage. Yes, and I'm gonna tell you guys if this foundation is worth it or not. And this foundation retail for $52. Hey, that's a lot of money. I know. I'm saying, but if you're into luxury, if you're high-end makeup, girl, you might like this, but let me just tell you about this first. So this foundation is full coverage. Full. This foundation is not joking. I'm saying, yeah. It says here skin type, sensitive, normal, dry, or combination. Okay? Basically, all the skin type can wear this. I'm saying, and the finish of this foundation is matte. Let's just go ahead and apply this in our face. So let me just prime my face. So for my primer, I am using my Lancome La Base Pro. This is my favorite primer. This foundation, you guys, is a water base. This is very pigmented, and I like this when you open, so you can squeeze, so it means you still have a control with this foundation. So I'm going to put this here. So okay, in this side I'm using the brush, and in this side I'm using a beauty blender. So let's see what's the best way to apply this foundation, and I'm gonna start here. Like seriously, this thing is really full coverage. This is a Morphe E6. I'm just gonna buff this in and include my eyes, this half of my face, and this is what it looks like. First layer of this foundation. So look at the difference. It just covers everything. And now let's try the other side with my beauty blender. We're just gonna buff this into your skin for like pouncing motion. And let's see. So this is the brush and this is the beauty blender. So we all know blender is really good to soak a lot of your foundation, but gives you this flawless finish. But in this foundation, I prefer the brush. Look at this, like it's so flawless. And here you can still see my my acne scars in this side right here. Like, see that? And when we said full coverage, this foundation is very full. So you guys see that? Brush really works well with this foundation. Flawless is full coverage. So let me just go ahead and finish my face, and I'll be back and let's talk about this foundation, and I'll see ya. Okay? Yes, and I'm back, and you guys, I have this blue full face makeup on. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to know how I create this look, you guys, follow me on my Instagram. I tried to upload a daily makeup on my Instagram. So let's go back to business and let's talk about this Forever Undercover full face foundation. Okay, so first, if you love a full coverage foundation just like me, you will like this foundation. The longevity wise of this foundation is really good as well. So I wore this at work. Stays really good. For the reference, I am oily combination skin. It means I got a oily in my T-zone, but that's it. I really prep my skin when I use this foundation on, because this foundation right here is a matte. If you're like oily combination like me, I need to prep my skin. I need to exfoliate my skin. I need to cleanse my skin. And I need to moisturize and put a really good primer. Whatever primers you have that works on you, that's really good. And the way you apply this foundation, you need to work right away. So it means when you apply your foundation, just blend, just like what I did earlier. So the brush is really great for this. So the description says all the skin types can wear this, but if you have a dry skin, this foundation is, I do think I can recommend it to you guys. But if you really want to try it, I suggest to ask a sample and then try like to moisturize your skin, use the hydrating primer, or you can mix this with your any hydrating foundation, because this thing right here is really good. It's very light, it dries very quick, so you need to work very fast. So if we have the same skin color, my shade is 040, so it's like 40. And you know, they have a lot of shades. They have a wide range of selection. I think they have 25. This is my first foundation that I own from Dior. Personally, I like this foundation. It's really good if you are into full coverage like me, but if you are dry, just ask sample and try it for yourself, because to be honest with you, I cannot recommend this to dry skin. And if you are oily, you're gonna love this. So when you ask me, is it worth the money? Yes, if you love full coverage. If you are oily skin, absolutely yes. If you are dry skin, no, it's not worth the money. Yes. You know, I don't want to spend money because it looks good in somebody else. You can always ask a sample. I like the product. So yeah, what else? I love it. Pigmented. Oh, that's why it gives me so much coverage that I needed in my life. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to try this foundation, you guys, ask a sample, try it for yourself, and if you like it or not, you know. I think that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please show me some love, give me some like, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.